Hello everyone. So our next topic is all about for loop. So basically, like this syntax or the way of writing for loop in PHP is almost similar to like a C programming only. Okay. So for and then we are writing this variable name which is I, and initially it is one. Then we have some condition which is nothing but I less than 11, and then we have I plus plus. Okay, and inside this for loop, okay, this is opening bracket and closing bracket. Inside this we have total two lines. One is one more variable which is product equal to, and 10 will get multiplied with the value of I every time, and also it will print the product of 10 into whatever is the value of I is, and whatever is the answer of this variable product. And in HTML we know that br slash it means break a line. Okay, and this is closing bracket. So exactly how the for loop works, that is also very important. So it will start from this for, that is the keyword. It will go inside of this first parameter which is I equal to 1. Then it will jump to second parameter where we know that initial value of I is what? 1. So 1 is less than 11. Obviously condition is true. So at this point it will go inside of this for loop. Then inside the for loop we have total two lines. So one is product equal to 10 into the current value of I is what? 1. So 10 into 1, answer will be 10. And it will print echo the product of 10 into 1 is 10. And then break a line. And then we can see the for loop closing bracket indicates you have to go back to the for loop part, but directly to the I plus plus section. So it will increment the I by 1 only. So at this point, the new value of I will be 2. Again, it will check for condition 2 less than 11. Again, condition is true. Again, it will go inside of this. So it becomes 10 into 2, 20. It will print here also 10 into 2, 20. Again, closing bracket. Again, it will jump here. Again, I plus plus. So I will be 3. Again, condition is true. Likewise, I will be 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. When it comes to I as 11, that means 11 less than 11. That means we know that condition is what? False. So obviously, it will not execute this part. It will directly jump after the closing bracket next line over here. But at this point, we do not have anything over here. So after that, we have an end of PHP script. It will print a table of 10 into 1 till 10 into 10. So let's check the output of this control S. Okay. And will obviously I'm using the same file only. See, the product of 10 into 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Likewise, it will till it will be 10 because our condition was less than 11. So this is how for loop works. Thank you everyone.